Okay, everybody, we are going to work on homework 3.5 equations of lines, meaning we are going to graph linear equations. Use the slope-intercept from form to graph the equation 3x plus 4. Let me explain real quick and then we can fly over problems. So, we have y is equal 3x plus 4. As we know, already we learned, 3 is our slope, 0 and 4 our intercept, right? Now, we always start graphing with intercept. So my intercept is 4, which is it's positive 4 on y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, here it is. So this is first point, 4. And then I have slope. Slope is 3. I'm representing slope as 3 over 1 because I have to have fraction, right? The numerator 3 run vertically. Denominator run horizontally when they say rise and run. Okay, so I have 3 over 1. I can go up 3. Well, since I can't go up 3, let's say it's ending, right? So what am I going to do? Can I write down 3 over 1 as negative 3 over negative 1? It's going to be same 3 over 1, right? So that's how I'm going to work on it. Sometimes it will happen that you're graphing e-paper, electronic paper, where you're going to graph it. It will go run behind of that given paper. So in this case, you are going to manipulate fraction like that, so fit in the paper. So since I can't go up by 3, 1, 2, it's going to go up there. So I put negative 3 over negative 1, it's still going to give positive. All right, so from here, what am I going to do? From 4, I'm going down by 3, 1, 2, 3, right? And then negative 1, it's going to go horizontally to the left. Negative 1. This is second point. And I am connecting these 2 points. There we go. So that's how I'm going to graph. Let's build this graph here. 4. Here I can go up by 3, right? Because I have space. So if I go up by 3, 1, 2, 3, I will get to 7, and then to positive 1, here it is. Okay, so there we go. Let's check the answer. Good job. Moving to next one. If anybody is having hard time to draw the graph in MyMathLab, please on my channel look for MyMathLab playlist, and there is a video that shows how to graph in MyMathLab using tools. Okay, what do we have now? We have negative 8x plus y equal negative 5. Negative 8x plus y equal negative 5. This is equal. Y is equal. Since we're going to use slope and intercept, I'm writing y is equal positive 8x minus 5. Positive 8x minus 5. Okay, let's go back and draw. So I will start drawing with negative 5, right, on y-axis, and then slope 8 over 1. Let's see what we are going to do. Negative 5 here, and then it was 8 over 1, right? Yes, 8 over 1. So I'm going to go up 8. Let me do it again. Sometimes it just, here, negative 5, moving up by 8. So negative 5 plus 8 is going to be positive 3. And here I got 3 and 1. Positive 1. Here it is. Okay. Saving. Question number 3. Negative 11x plus 2y equal 1. So 2y is equal 11x plus 1. Okay, so from here to get y, we divide by 2, and we are getting y is equal 11 over 2x plus 1/2. So my intercept is 1/2 and slope is 11 over 2. Let's see what we're gonna do. One half. Oh, I haven't even started. Positive 1/2, gonna be right here, and then 1/2 plus 11, it's gonna be 11.5. It's gonna be like this, right? 11.5, and we go over 2. Now here is 11 over 2, right here. Okay, let's see. Good job. Next one. Use the slope intercept form of linear equation to write the equation. Okay, well, let's see how we're gonna do. Slope is negative 9, intercept is 0, positive 9. Zero, positive 9. Okay. So we know that our slope intercept form is y is equal mx plus b, correct? My m is negative 9, which is going to be y is equal negative 9x plus b. And then we have intercept 9, right? So that's my b, correct? So y is equal negative 9x plus 9, correct? Okay, so then that is going to be our answer, negative 9x plus 9. Let me write down. Where is my y? Y is equal negative 9x plus 9. Okay. Very good. Moving to question number 5. What do we have? Slope is negative 3. Intercept is negative 6 over 7. Okay, we can do it even without drafting. So y is equal, where was my y? Here, y is equal, since slope is negative 3, it's going to be negative 3x, and my intercept negative 6 over 7, right? Minus 6 over 7. Okay. Well done. Moving to next one, we have slope 5 over 6, so it's going to be y is equal 5 over 6, and intercept is 0, so we don't want to put 5 over 6x, and we don't want to put plus 0. That's it. It's going to be all. Very good. Moving to question number 7. Now here is becoming more interesting. The slope is given 6, so we already know it's going to be 6x, but 4 and 2, this is not an intercept, because intercept, coordinate for intercept, x is 0, right? But here we have coordinate, it's just given point through which the graph is going. Okay? So, well, let's see how we're gonna work this out. All right. 6 and 4 and 2. M is 6 and coordinate 4 and 2. All right. M is equal y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So from here, y2 minus y1 is equal m times x2 minus x1. How? Okay, imagine this is an equation, right? And denominator is x2 minus x1, which means what am I going to do? If denominator x2 minus x1, here also, oops, it's going to be also divide by x2 minus x1 and multiply also x2 minus x1, right? Since it's fraction, since it's equation, I'm dropping this and I get m times x2 minus x1 equal y2 minus y1. That's how I got it. All right? So let me clean this not to make a mess. Okay. So what do we have? My x1 and y1. So let's see, y2 minus y1 is 2 equal, slope is 6, x2 minus my x1 is 4, right? Okay, so what's gonna happen here? I'm going to rewrite y2. Since I have only one y and one x, I can drop the index 2. It doesn't matter anymore. So at this point, I'm just writing y is equal 6 times x minus 4 plus 2, right? Because negative 2 I'm flipping on the other side. And I'm getting plus 2. So let me open parentheses, y is equal 6x minus 24 plus 2, and I'm getting y is equal 6x minus 22. And this is our equation. So 6x minus 22. Let me write down. Y is equal 6x minus 22. Well done. Question number 8. We are going to work the same way, 1/2 and negative 2 and 2. So we write down m is equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And from here, y2 minus y1 is equal m times x2 minus x1. Okay, let's plug. y2 minus my y1 is positive 2, right? This is x1, y1, okay? And this is equal, m is 1/2, x2 minus x1 is negative 2. There we go. And we are getting y2 is equal 1/2 x2 plus 2, and this negative 2 moving over will be plus 2, right? And since, like I said, we have only one y, one x, makes no sense to put index, so there is nothing to confuse. And let's simplify. 1/2 x plus 1, here multiplying, and plus 2. And we are getting y is equal 1/2 x plus 3. Okay? Excuse me. Y is equal 1/2 x plus, how much was it? 3. Okay. I like $sign better than 3, but it's not going to work now. Okay. Very good. Moving to question number 9. All right, now we have pair of coordinate, and we need to find the equation that goes through these coordinates. Okay? Let's see how we're going to solve this. 3 and 2, 4 and 4. Okay. Three and 2, 4 and 4. Again, we are going to solve exactly same way. So m, we need to find m here. M is equal, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Remember, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So we get 4 minus 2, and then x2 is 4 minus 3. It's going to be 2 over 1, which is 2. Okay, 2 over 1, 2. Okay, so we got practically m is equal to, and then we can take one of these points, doesn't matter which one. We can take one of this point and the same way work out the equation. I'm taking 3 and 2 because I don't want 4 and 4. It will be confusing which 4 I used, okay? I'm taking 2 and 3 over 2. So y2 minus y1 equal m times x2 minus x1. So my y is 2, y minus 2, I'm dropping this 2 already, equal, here is 2, x minus 3. And that is equal, y is equal twice x minus 3 plus 2. So from here, y is equal to x minus 6 plus 2. Combining, y is equal to x minus 4. Let's put the answer. To x minus 4. Okay, fantastic. Moving to question number 10. We have the same thing, negative 422. Let me take a picture. Negative 422 and negative 317. So negative 422 and negative 317. So first thing we find m, 17 minus 22. Let's do this time 22 minus 17, go that way. 20, so not to deal with negative numbers. So, and then negative 4 minus negative 3. It's going to be 5, negative 4 plus 3. Okay, we'll still end up with negative 5 over 1, which is negative 5. And I'm taking this one, choosing to work. M is equal negative 5, and I have negative 3 and 17. So y minus y1 minus 17 is equal negative 5 times x minus negative 3, which is going to be equal, y is equal negative 5 times x plus 3 plus 17. From here, y is equal negative 5x minus 15 plus 17. Y is equal negative 5x plus 2. Negative 5x plus 2. Okay. Let me write down negative 5x plus 2. Fantastic. Question number 11. Okay. I'm not going to solve it again because I already solved several of them. You can do it, right? Based on previous two problems we solved. Moving to number 12. Okay, the same way. Okay. 13. Write an equation line with slope 3 and passing through negative 8 and 8. It's the same way. We have slope and we have point, right? So you can do it also. So it's all same thing. Find the equation of the line, also same thing. 15, slope and intercept 8. Okay. This is number 15. So let's do this one. Negative 2 over 3 and intercept 8. All right? M is equal negative 2 over 3. Intercept is 8, meaning 0 and 8. Okay? And it says we need to write that equation of line. And it's asking us actually to write in the standard form. Standard form is, okay, let me explain real quick. When we write y is equal mx plus b, that's the slope intercept form. When we write in the form of some ax plus some by is equal some c, that's a standard form. So we need to write down in the standard form. So y is equal negative 2, 3 of x, and then plus 8, right? Okay, so we need to write down in this format. So at this point, what I'm going to do, bring to common denominator, the entire equation. So denominator is 3, here divide by 3, multiply by 3. Divide by 3, multiply by 3. 3, throwing out a window, and we get 3y equal negative 2x plus 24. Okay, so 2x move on the side where 3y, and I get 3y plus 2x equal 24. And this is my standard form. 3y plus 2x equal 24. 3y plus 2x equal 24. Here it is. Okay, and we are done, and I see you in next video.